I don't know. We had lunch earlier today because I think the fifth grade or fourth grade or third grade, one of the grades is going on a field trip today. Cue the music. All right, grab your coffee or whatever it is you want to drink. And on today's Coffee Talk Thursday, we will be talking about... Wait, I'm sorry. Stop the music. Stop. Yes, I am super excited about these. And the funny thing is, I haven't opened them up yet. I'm like, my precious. My second to last Friday, so I have one more Friday to go. I mean, like, here, I'll do a little pan of the rim so you guys can see. But like, I have nothing up here, and then it goes around, and there's like nothing over there at the top. I have to take down my word wall still, but like there's basically nothing over here either. Then it comes around, and like I said, there's nothing up here. So I got rid of all that. It is Thursday, May 17th. Today we have nothing. I mean, like, there's no specials or anything. So we're gonna get a bunch of Shark Week stuff done. We will, I might throw some Kahoot in there because the kids keep asking me to play Kahoot. I don't know. We had lunch earlier today because I think the fifth grade or fourth grade or third grade, one of the grades is going on a field trip today. I think it's third grade. I did set up the kids' Play-Doh things. So these are their Play-Dohs, and that's the little thing that goes on top. So they'll sit like this on their desks, and then they can see the top. It is Thursday, so that means it is Thursday, so that means it is Coffee Talk Thursday. So cue the music. All right, grab your coffee or whatever it is you want to drink. And on today's Coffee Talk Thursday, we will be talking about... Wait, I'm sorry. Stop the music. Stop. Nothing. I don't have anything to talk about this time. I have nothing. So it's just been so busy. I've not even looked for a topic to talk about. I have just been super crazy. So I am so sorry. I do not have a topic for you guys this week. But if you guys have any games or anything that you love to play in your classroom and you want me to check them out, please comment down below and I will be sure to check them out and I can review them and see if maybe I want to share them with everybody else. I don't know. So I am so sorry, but I do not have a Coffee Talk Thursday for today. So I do need to get to getting a bunch of stuff done. So that leaves me with lots of time this morning because I don't have anything to film. I just found out yesterday I have to remove everything off our walls because they're going to be painting. So I will need to get that done. I guess I'm going to have to cover my bulletin boards so that way if they paint, they don't get paint on them. Because like all of, they have whiteboards and everything all around them. So I'm assuming I would need to cover those so that way they don't get stuff on them. So now I'm going to go and start removing everything off the walls. How exciting. I can't wait. All right, well, you guys can come along for the ride. So here we go. Good morning. It is Friday. Whoop! I am so excited it's Friday. Like, it's no joke. And it's my second to last Friday, so I have one more Friday to go. So I'm super excited. I have been working it sounds so weird in here too. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound difference on this, but there's nothing on the walls really. I mean, like, here, I'll do a little pan of the rim so you guys can see. But like, I have nothing up here, and then it goes around, and there's like nothing over there at the top. I have to take down my word wall still, but like there's basically nothing over here either. Then it comes around, and like I said, there's nothing up here. So I got rid of all that. Like, isn't that crazy? It's weird. It's a weird feeling. But I still have to get my word wall taken down. Not all of it. I'm just gonna take down all the words off of the word wall. And this, which I'm gonna get it set up for next year, so I need to work at the glue gun. But that right, right there is my objective board. And I'm gonna move it to actually be right over here because I think it'll be easier for me to get to and it'll be easier for me to use. Today is field day, so I have come prepared with a hat and sunscreen, so we'll be good for that. We have it at 10 o'clock, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna set you guys down for a second. That'll be at 10, from 10 to 11:30. Today's gonna be a nice day. And then when we come back, we'll go to lunch at 11:50, which is really late. I forgot what we're doing. Oh yeah, so we go to lunch at 11:50, and then we'll come back at 12:30, and we're gonna watch a movie, I think, for the rest of the afternoon until the movie's over with, and then I'll probably like have the kids do like centers or something. They can just rotate through centers. This is my famous drink that I always get, and it's actually a venti iced caramel macchiato, but when I get my free reward drinks, I always get it with, so it has five pumps of toffee nut syrup, 4 pumps of caramel sauce, and 4 pumps of mocha. So it's like a chocolate turtles, whatever they're called, like the caramel chocolate turtles. I don't know. It's pretty good. Also, one of my parents bought me these awesome friction pins. I'm taking it because I know she watches my channel. She's subscribed to it. I don't know if she watches. She may not. She may just subscribe to it and be like, you're boring. So I don't know. But she got me these pins, and I'm figuring she had to watch to get these pins. I mean, come on. Pilot Friction, like, you had to know that I use Pilot Friction pins. I mean, like, it's not like a pin you just, like, randomly picking up. So you had to have known that I like these kind of pins. Yes, I'm super excited about these. And the funny thing is, I haven't opened them up yet. I'm like, my precious. The funny thing is, because if you guys watch my Plan With Me, the May one, my purple marker that I use, it stopped working. I still have it. I can't get rid of it. It doesn't work, but I have to keep holding on to it. But I have these markers that I use for color coding. Well, now I have something else I can use for color coding in my planner. So, because I like to have each day, or each topic, that's what it is, each topic be the same. And they're the erasable ones, just like these ones, because these are the friction markers. And you can always get these ones during back to school time at Target. And these ones also are at Target and Walmart. Both carry these ones. Walmart might actually carry these year round, but I'm not positive. Yeah, I don't know. I was gonna say something else, I don't know what it was. Today my mom is having her garage sale. So Rudy will go over there after when he gets off work, because he gets off work at 12:30. And so I'll head over there after I'm done here. And then I found a new YouTuber, Naturally Elementary. I watched one of her videos today, and she's like a planner fanatic like me. I'm like, what? She teaches first grade. And what was the other thing that I thought of? I don't know where I was going with this conversation. I seriously don't. She said something in the video and I forgot now. Oh well, I don't remember where I was going. Teacher brain is horrible. Like, I totally just forgot I was in the middle of a conversation and totally forgot what I was talking about. But I'm gonna go ahead and start taking more stuff down. I'm really debating if I should take down the math things, but I think I will take down the math one, because next week we'll probably just end up doing fun centers for the whole week. And then, because like the only thing I need to get Shark Week done, so we'll be working on Shark Week. But for math and stuff, I can put out like just math activities for them to do, and they can just rotate and like move around as they want instead of doing like a whole bunch of stuff. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna take down the math wall. I'm gonna take down the word wall, and until I can think of off the top of my head I need to take down. I'm afraid to take down the classroom rules because I know this class, and I know as soon as I take them down, they're gonna be out. Oh, so we don't have rules now. Blah. So I already know that, so I'm not even gonna mess with that. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. You guys can kind of come along and watch me do some work. So here we go. Bye. Hey guys, I'm getting ready to leave. I have my hat on just because we had field day today, and I have like horrible hat hair, so I just put my cap back on. But I'm getting ready to leave. I have taken more stuff off the walls. I'm gonna do a quick spin. And I moved some of the stuff over to here like I wanted, and I put magnets onto the back of those. So as you can see, I've taken down my word wall. Some of this stuff has been taken down, so. Anyway, so I'm getting ready to get out of here. I have set up my newsletter for next year, because I'm gonna be doing succulents. So I created this. I did black out my name and stuff, but that's my new template for next year. If you're interested in the template, I do have them both. I have a color version and a black and white version inside of my Teacher Pay Teacher store. I also have a bundle if you would like to have a mix, I guess, however you want to do it. So I do have a mix of that. But I'm getting ready to leave. I have to go help my mom with their yard sale this weekend. So I'm getting ready to head over there now, so I'll see you guys later. Hey, good morning. It is Sunday, May 20th, I believe. And I came to school to pick up a few things. I need to go home. Yeah, turn the alarm off really fast. I just locked myself out of this place. Yeah, I had to get a few things done. I had to go to my mom's house by 11 to finish the garage sale. So here's our last day of it. So that's all I've been doing all weekend long is just the garage sale. So I haven't really done anything else. Showed on report cards a little bit, but it is the last week of school this week. So sorry about the lighting. So it's gonna be really nice. I came to get my math bin that I had set up that I was like in the process, and I've never filmed a video for it right there. So I've never filmed a video for them, but I need them all to go home so I can finish working on them, get them finished, getting set up. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. So, yeah. All right, got all the boxes put out. So now I'm leaving. Got to turn the alarm back on. And it sucks because I have to walk around the building. So that's it. I don't have anything else to talk about for this week, or for the end of this vlog. Sorry, this vlog was kind of short. I have no idea. I haven't even edited the vlog yet, so who knows? It could be 5 hours long or something. I don't know. Probably not. I don't think it's going to be very long at all. But because I think most of it's just talking, and I didn't really do a lot. I don't know. There wasn't a lot going on this week. Just getting ready for the end of the school year, and that's it. So, all right. So I am off and I'm leaving. So this is it for the vlog. So I hope you like what you saw. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on all of my social media. And until next time, don't forget to always be you. Bye.